Abishai ay Abishai Giana Andrew Bantegi Aquino. Napakahaba. Okay, so why do you name her Abishai?
Abishai ang natanda ko gift. Tapos yung Gianna, junior ni papa niya.
Okay, Abishai means gift and Gianna, meaning junior ng papa niya. So dahil sumagot na si Mami, si Daddy naman. Daddy, how was Abishai as your daughter? Kamusta si Yana bilang anak?
Maalaga sa mga kapatid niya. Siyempre, lagi akong wala. Tapos lagi naiiwan ng mama niya sa bahay. Kaya nag-aalaga sa mga kapatid.
Okay, napakabait na bata. Okay, in one sentence, what do you wish for her? Okay, Mami Dana? In one sentence, ano po ang wish mo para kay Abishai?
Maging successful siya in life. And God is with her always.
Okay, napakaganda ng wish ni Mami Dana. Maging successful in life and God laging center ng kanyang buhay. Okay, so bigyan muna natin ng 3 palakpak si Abishai. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, to formally start the program, they say that being 18 means that you are legally permitted to do things that an adult can do. It gives you the freedom and the ticket to try new adventures and learn new things. Tonight is filled with love, friendship, laughter, and unforgettable moments as we celebrate her 18th birthday. Without further ado, let us now begin the special part of the night celebration. One of the cherished traditions of the debut is the 18 roses, or we call it 18 petals of affection. A lady's 18th birthday is a much-awaited celebration, letting the community know of the debutant's readiness for courtship, love, and romance. Thus, the 18 roses involves a dance with 18 men, handing up the rose and thorn, which symbolizes sorrow and gladness, linked together and expectedly present in every relationship. May I now call on Madison as a flower bearer. Madison as a flower bearer. Okay. The 18 petals of affection symbolize love, guidance, and the important men in the debutant's life who have become part of her journey. Okay? So, to start the 18 petals of affection, starting a dance from her father, Mr. Gian Aquino. Palakpakan naman po natin ang kanyang first dance. Ang dance together with her father. Naiiyak na po yung kanyang tatay. Hindi na maitago yung nararamdaman ni Kuya Gian. Okay, thank you, Kuya Gian. Okay, next po, Amir Aquino. Okay. Hill.
I love you too much to live without you calling me back. I love you too much. Heaven's my witness, and this is a fact. I know I belong when I sing this song.
Okay, next, Mr. Dwayne Bantegi. Okay, medyo usog po. Teka lang, shine. Yan, para kita kayo ng lahat.
Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine.
Next, Mr. Dane Bantegi.
Lift your head, baby, don't be scared.
Okay, wag po iwan ang ating Sebita.
Go along the way. You get by. Try.
Mr. Miguel Peñalosa.
I've got sunshine on a cloudy day.
Next, Mr. Rogelio Salamanca.
So it's true. You can't stop smiling. How I adore you.
Mr. Mizar Peñalosa. Thank you so much. Eros Bantegi. Dylan Bantegi. Aidan Bantegi.
All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been.
Mr. Alex Navarrete.
He said, let's out of this town, out of the city, away from the crowds. I thought heaven can't help me now, nothing lasts forever. This is gonna take me down. He's so tall and handsome as hell. He's so good, but does it so well. I can see the end as it begins. My one condition is
Mr. Miguel Navarrete.
you look so wonderful.
would you drag? Love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lights and people who talk too much.
Mr. Ruben Calera.
We'll do it all, everything on our own.
Mr. Johan Lampa.
Beneath the starlit sky, our secret guide, like waves.
Mr. John Matthew Camardo.
I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, and I remember feeling, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm everywhere.
Mr. John Joshua Aguirre.
Take me to your heart. Show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are right. Every wish is ours tonight. Our love. Trust in love to fade. Finding out too late that they lost it. Never letting go. Stay will never know the ways of love. Say. Got to believe in magic.
Okay. Thank you to all gentlemen who shared this special dance with our debutant. Okay? Couple named Alicia. Sabay-sabay po natin niyang sisindihan. At ito po ay ibublow ni Abishai. Okay, Abishai, isa-isa mong i-blow ang candle. Okay, thank you po sa ating 18 notes of light. Ayan, kailangan with energy. Pag wala pong energy, kayo po ay kakanta ng solo. Ayan. Okay, medyo ano tayo naantok dito sa side. Okay, ready na ba music for the happy birthday song? Hanap po natin ang sabay-sabay. Okay, okay. Happy birthday, Abishai. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, pagalingan ng kadalaw tayo. Ito sa table. Okay, kailangan nakakasasay na to. Happy birthday! Kailangan ng energy dito.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, happy birthday, Abishai. So, para maramdaman ni Abishai talaga yung birthday niya ngayon, bigyan natin siya ng 18 clubs. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Happy birthday, Abishai. Let us all give Happy 18 Abishai. May your life to continue as beautiful as this evening. So now, okay. Ayan. Okay, Abishai, you can now blow your candle. Okay, once again, happy birthday, Abishai! Okay, yun. Ayan, may message pa si Ayumi kay ate. Napaka-cute na message. Ma'am Jane Talinyo. Ma'am Jane Talinyo. Okay po. For our 18 guest support, doon po sa kabilang side para po sa picture taking din po.
Okay, message ko, wala akong ibang ipapayo sa'yo because you are a responsible girl, napakabait na anak. Wala akong masabi, hindi siya nag-aawol, inaalagaan na yung mga atin niya. She's a perfect epitome of a responsible daughter. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Ma'am Jane. Next, Ma'am Leland Aguirre. Picture po. Huwag po muna umalas agad yung mga nasa 18 guest support para sa ating photo op. Thank you, Ma'am Jane again. Next, Ma'am Leland Aguirre.
Okay, so happy birthday, Abby. So, sabi na ni Ma'am Jane at Ma'am Jessa, bilang kaibigan ng mama mo, still nandito pa rin kami sa second mother mo rin. I wish you na sa lahat ng ambition and aim mo sa buhay is makamit mo. Basta put God first, anak, mag-aral ka, yung kinabukasan mo para sa pamilya mo, na alam kong andyan palagi para sa iyo. Happy birthday, anak.
Thank you, Ma'am Leland Aguirre. Next, Ma'am Princess Acosta.
Happy birthday sa aming pangaynay na walasan ko namin. Ate, ang pinakaunang wish ko sa iyo ay maganda at makapagtapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. And good health palagi. Lagi mong tatandaan kung binigay ni mama at papa mo ay pagpapakita ng pagmamahal nila sa iyo. Yan ang katumbas ng pagmamahal nila sa iyo dahil alam nila sa panahon ito, yung taon
Thank you, Ma'am Princess. Next, Ma'am Maricar Petilla.
Good evening and happy birthday, Ate Shai. Sa lahat na naunang nag-wish, yun din ang wish ko. Happy birthday! Happy face lang.
Thank you, Ma'am Maricar. Next, Ma'am Roda Guerrero. Next, Ma'am Stephanie Ancheta.
Happy birthday, Ate Shai. Thank you for inviting me for your isa sa pinaka-importanting araw sa buhay ko. So, alam ko naman na you are so responsible sa mga responsibility mo sa inyong mama at papa. And lahat sana ng wish na nandito na kung magandang wish ay happy birthday.
Thank you, Ma'am Stephanie. Next, Ma'am Malu Agbanay.
Hello, Abby. Happy 18th birthday. God bless you na.
Next, Ma'am Lorianne Merelana.
Hello, Abby. Happy 18th birthday, anak. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Ngayong 18 ka na, pwede na daw mag-awal muna ni Mama. Madam Dino, pwede na siyang mag-awal. Okay, happy birthday, anak, ulit.
Next, Ma'am Emer Cabanero. Again, Ma'am Emer Cabanero. Next, Sir Julito Tumulak. Sir Julito Tumulak. Next, Miss Nora Gabatin. Miss Naraini Gabatin. Miss Thea de Gala. Miss Thea Gala.
So, blessed happy 18th birthday, Abby. So, nakwento ko lamang po, no, isa po ako sa subject teacher po ni Abby sa Pan Pacific University. So, na-witness ko din po yung pagpasok niya during her 11th grade. So, naalala ko si Abby, nung una kong pasok sa room nila, very shy, very tahimik. Not unlike yung mga kaklase nila, syempre kilala na nila yung isa't isa. So, madaldal na sila. So, nakita ko sa kanya na, itong batang to, first impression ko pa lang sa kanya is, alam kong responsible siya and alam ko na magiging attentive to sa klase ko, sabi ko gano'n. So, seeing her in this dashing dress, talagang nakaka-proud kasi dalagang-dalaga na po si Abby Shai. So, as you go on with your college journey, I hope that you'll always put God first. No? So, sa lahat ng mga plano and yung heart's desire mo sa buhay mo, you should always put God first in everything. Para lahat ng yon sunod-sunod na dadalo yung blessings, not only in your life, but also in your family and your friends' life. So, bilang teacher, I don't know if you're going to be pursuing accountancy, but I know whatever you're going to be pursuing in college, alam kong magiging successful ka dito sa path mo na ito. So, blessed happy birthday!
Thank you po, Miss Thea de Gala. Next, Miss Venice Soliman. Miss Venice Soliman. Okay, next, Miss Koy Padilla. Joyce? Okay, Ma'am Joyce Padilla.
Happy birthday, Yana. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad at sana hindi ka magbago na. Happy birthday.
Okay, Miss Cristel Jane Javier. Miss Cristel Jane Javier. Miss Andre Ladia. Hi, Mr. Andre Ladia. And Miss Rochelle Abad. Rochelle Abad. Okay. So thank you for those thoughtful gifts and heartfelt gestures. For every gift tonight truly reflects the love and support surrounding our debutant as she steps into adulthood. Okay, Samahan muna natin ang ating nagdagandaman mga maliliit. Okay? Go. Ayan. Palakpakan muna natin once again. Oh, magaling naman! Mga TikTokers yan? Oo, galing. Parang nag-practice talaga sila. Palakpakan natin! Kabisado, kabisado. Ayan na. Ah, gagaling, kabisado. Ang gagaling. Mamaya sa sobrang galing pati si Ate Apishai. Magsosunog. Ay! Grabe yan, ang gagaling. Nakikita na sino yung babay sa TikTok. Kahit walang kaya, kabisado, kabisado. Ah, grabe naman yun. Sino nagturo dyan? Yung tatay. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin ang mga magagandang babae ito. Okay, very good. Okay, si Mami Daing nang bahala sa inyo. Okay, palakpakan natin. Bigyan naman natin ng malakas sa palakpak. Practice na practice po talaga yan sa taon. Oh. Meron pa tayong extra food dyan na may kakain ulit sila. Okay, kaya niyo yan. Bigyan natin ng malakas na palakpak. Okay, individual grading po ito. Okay! Anak ko yan. Ang tagal kasi ng chorus eh, ba't matagal? Yan na. Oh! Ah. Galaw, galaw! Okay, yan na. Go! Pag hindi kayo sumayaw pa, isa pa. Sasayaw yung mga tatay nyo. Okay. Ayan na. Oh, galing.
Basta sumayaw.
Okay lang. Oh, gagaling.
Saya choreographer.
Sali po. Ayan, meron pa pong isa. Kasi last year talaga nila pinapisayan talaga. Teka lang, may request sila. Okay, last na lang talaga to. Okay, bigyan natin ng malakas na palakpak. Thank you, Gutchakon. Ayan, so makiklaim na lang ang prize mamaya kay Papa Gian. Okay? O, sige na. Thank